Welcome to the self-love guided meditation session. Please do not listen to this recording while operating machinery. To get the maximum benefit, we recommend that you listen to this recording each night before you go to sleep. Don't worry if you fall asleep while listening to this meditation session, as your subconscious memory will absorb everything. I would like you now to imagine that you're walking in a forest. This forest is so beautiful, and you just walk in this pathway and observe all the beautiful trees, tall trees with big green leaves, and there's flowers everywhere. It's beautiful big flowers that you've never seen before, and you keep walking. And you feel the forest absorbing all the tension from your body, making you more and more relaxed. And you keep walking. You look down and you notice that you're walking bare feet, and you can feel the earth absorbing all the tension from the soles of your feet, making you feel more and more relaxed. And you keep walking, just observing the beauty of nature. And you look up in the sky and you see this big, bright, shining light, which then comes towards you. And this liquid light fills you in like a cup, fills in your forehead, your crown, your scalp, your eyes, your cheeks, your tongue, your neck, your shoulders and your arms, your hands and your fingers, your chest and your back, your abdomen, your hips and your legs. This pure divine light illuminates your whole body, every cell, every muscle, your brain, your spine and all your nerves, your lungs, your heart, your liver, your stomach and intestines, your reproductive system. Every bone, every cell is illuminated with this pure divine light. And this light energizes you. You have so much energy, you feel so alive and so peaceful at the same time. This light then penetrates the ground all the way to the core of the earth, where there is this motherly loving light, which then shoots back into your feet, your legs, your hips, your abdomen and into your heart. From your heart, this light expands around you like a big bubble, a bubble of love, a bubble of light and protection. You're safe. You're safe and supported. I would like you now to imagine that you're standing on top of some stairs. You can just focus on my voice, and anything else you hear from the outside will make you more and more relaxed. I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. As I count down, you will take a step down the stairs and go deeper and deeper into relaxation. 10. You take a step down. 9, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the bottom of the stairs, you see a white door with a golden handle. You reach out to open the door and you walk inside, and you see green grass, blue skies, the sun is shining, and there's beautiful big tall trees in the distance and beautiful flowers everywhere. You have pink roses and white roses and red roses everywhere. This is your garden, and it's so beautiful. The sun is shining, there's a stream running, there's butterflies and birds. It's so peaceful, and you feel so alive and at ease. You can feel the wind in your hair. You can feel the warmth of the sunshine in your skin. You can feel the softness of the grass on the soles of your feet. And you can smell the sweet fragrance of the roses. And you feel so blissful. And now, just stay in this energy of gratitude. You're safe and you're grounded. And you can trust the process of life. You can surrender, you can let go. You can surrender to something bigger than yourself. You're safe and everything is going to be okay. Every part of your life is taken care of. Your health, your relationships, your finances, your career, your family, your loved ones. Everything is taken care of. There is nothing to worry about. So we can release all resistance. We can release everything that no longer serves us. We can do that now. Release all fear, shame, guilt, resentment, anger, blame and doubt, jealousy, unworthiness, anything that takes us away from being grateful, from the divine. And we just let it go and release it now completely, and we can feel the energy leaving our body and going inside the earth, where it's being dissolved, leaving you more and more peaceful, more and more relaxed. I would like you now to surrender and let go of everything that is holding you back. Make that intention now that you want to let go of everything that's holding you back. And now, in your beautiful garden, I would like you to imagine a big pole of bright shining light. And you get closer to the pole and put your hands, your chest and your forehead on there. And I want you to feel all of the emotions of fear. Fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, fear of not being good enough, fear of change, fear of not having enough. All of that fear, where do you feel it in the body? I would like you now to imagine this pain being transferred from your body into the light. It's being transferred into the light completely, slowly, and then faster and faster and faster. And then the light takes it up to be dissolved into pure divine light. All of that fear is gone now. You're releasing all of that fear. It's gone now. And now you see a bright shining light coming from above, from your crown, and filling in all these spaces, all of the empty spaces that are left now, with pure divine light. And we're replacing all of this fear with trust and feeling safe and grounded and trusting the process of life. And now I would like you to feel any shame and guilt in the body. When was the last time you felt ashamed or guilty? I want you to feel that now in the body. Where do you feel it now? I would like you now to imagine that all of that shame and guilt is being transferred from your body into the light. It's been sucked in. It's been absorbed and taken up in the sky to be dissolved into pure divine light. All of that shame and guilt is gone now. It's completely gone and is replaced with pure divine light. And now this energy that's left is replaced by creativity and sensuality, is replaced with pure divine feminine energy. And now I would like you to imagine and feel all of the blame and self-doubt, insecurity in the body. Where do you feel that? When was the last time you blamed someone about something? When was the last time you doubted yourself and you felt insecure? Release that now. All of that energy now is being released, transferred into the light, absorbed by the light slowly and then faster and faster and faster, and it's been taken up in the sky to be dissolved into pure divine light. The empty spaces are now filled in with power. They're filled in with pure divine light and beautiful masculine strength. It's a beautiful masculine energy, feeling powerful and strong. And now I would like you to feel any energy of fear of not being enough, any anger, resentment, jealousy, unworthiness, not feeling good enough. When was the last time you felt angry at someone? I would like you to release that now. Release that now into the light from the part of your body where this energy was stuck in. It's free now to leave, and the light absorbs that energy. It takes it and dissolves it into pure divine light. This energy of anger and resentment, and jealousy, unworthiness and fear, all of that energy, where do you feel it in the body? Imagine it being transferred from your body into the light, slowly and then faster and faster and faster. It is now being taken up into the sky to be dissolved into pure divine light. And imagine a beautiful green energy, green light coming from your crown and replacing all of these empty spaces now with pure divine light, illuminating you and your heart center with pure green light. And this light is of love, vulnerability, and strength, and worthiness, giving and receiving love, forgiveness, compassion, understanding. And repeat after me: I forgive, I forget, I let go. I forgive, I forget, I let go. I deserve, I allow, I receive. I deserve, I allow, I receive. You are enough. You are loved, supported. You're seen, you're heard, you're understood. You're accepted just the way you are. There is so much love for you. You're loved, accepted, honored, valued and validated, appreciated. You are divine. Thank you for doing this meditation. I would like you now to move your fingers, move your hands, move your toes and your feet, and stretch your arms and your whole body and open your eyes whenever you're ready. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day.